We were started in 1941 by my grandfather, who was an accountant for one of the wool merchants on Summer Street in Boston, and he kind of started the business offering storage services to that employer and several other wool merchants. And so the original name of the company actually was Barrett Wool Warehouse in a mill building in Lawrence, Mass. We're big advocates of the United Way. We really enroll as many of our employees as we can kind of shepherd into that program to participate in a United Way weekly withholding from their paycheck. Then the company matches dollar for dollar every dollar that the employees contribute. You know, there's nobody I trust more implicitly than my brother Tim. So, you know, there's never a doubt about you know, where his interests lie. Our interests are aligned.